son. They're at an all-time high. I guess we'll have to buy all of your unicorn cupcake toppers and give them to your sister and her friends for their birthday party. All right. So there's hope. There's hope, guys. Maybe we can end the age-long question of, are sales down today? So we're going to show you just really quickly how you can see the site-wide sales by category by using Viral Launch. They have made a nice service, so they have a lot of data. They're always analyzing things, and they're essentially able to tell us what are sales like compared to historical averages, or at least the most recent month for this day and per category. So pretty cool tool. Make this quick. Hope you guys enjoyed the dramatic intro. Type in sales today Viral Launch. Okay, so we're gonna go to there, and then what you could do is it shows you a graph like this. Okay, so hour by hour sales analysis versus the last month for this day of the week. So they're up about 5.68% versus last month, and pretty cool. So you can now choose by category though. So let's say I was gonna do pet supplies. Only up 4%. Sports and outdoor, obviously it's peaking because it's July 30th now. It's getting into summer. Tools and home improvement up 16%. Toys and games 20. Whoa, why are there so many toys? I guess outdoor games and whatnot. But office products 74%. Woo! It's picking up. Everybody's getting ready for school and for school, I guess. Health and household, kitchen. So kitchen and dining is surprisingly down. So you can see this. Obviously, you want to do and go look at each one. But it looks like everything's doing pretty strong compared to last month, except kitchen and dining, which is pretty interesting. I guess that just patio, lawn, and garden though down. That's interesting. So essentially what this shows is sales on Amazon are picking up in general compared to last month. But you could see just more so how they're going throughout the day. And this is kind of cool. So for example, on Prime Day, they have this, and you can see how Prime Day is comparing to last year, and it just blew it out of the water. I think in 12 hours, they did what they did last year combined. So that was pretty neat. And then here's like the hour by hour sales analysis. And I think they have other ways where you can see kind of the historical data too, but I don't know. Maybe we'll link that when we figure that out. Next time that you see Jimmy asking the question, you can just link them here or to this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and that's a useful tool. So if sales are down, it's probably because something's up with your listing. Maybe you're suppressed. Maybe you're just not selling. Maybe you did a launch and you're not sticking. Something is going on. I'd say look at your number of sessions. If you're wondering why are sales down, look at your conversion. Like, were there any changes? Or do you have a hijacker? Are sessions down for your whole thing? You could go to Google Keywords or Google Trends and look at the search terms that you have, and then go see how those are doing compared to normal. And go use some statistical tools if you're really bummed about it. But generally, the answer is if sales are way down for you compared to normal, something's up with your listing or you. That Amazon sales aren't tanking often. Okay, Amazon is just continuing to grow, and take a look at your listings and figure it out. Maybe if it's right after Christmas, of course they're going to dip, but most days, unless it, especially if it just sells year round, if you have the usual Q4 and Prime Day spike, but relatively flat. So you know what to do next time somebody asks.